Hey friends, today's recipe is going to be this delicious spinach potato pulao. Let's get started. First of all, I'm heating a little bit of oil in a cooker. This is about 2.5 tablespoons of oil. All of the ingredients list along with their measurements will be given in the description box below. And now we are adding some baby potatoes in the oil and we are going to fry them on medium flame till they develop a nice golden crispy texture on the outside. So this is the kind of golden texture that we are looking for, and when the potato reaches this phase, let's add some khada garam masala. Let it saute for 20 seconds and then we are going to add some green chilies and we're going to fry them as well. It's now time to add a spinach puree. I just boiled the spinach and let it cool down and then pureed it in a blender jar, and we are taking around 3 big tablespoons of this mixture and we are going to let it saute for around 15-20 seconds. Now it's time to add our washed and soaked rice. This is 2 cups of rice that has been soaking in water for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now give it a good mix. Just be careful, we do not want the rice to break into smaller pieces. Now just add water. For 2 cups of rice, I have taken here around 3.5 cups of water, and the water is green because I just cleaned the blender jar in which I made the spinach puree. As it is, we do not like wastage. So here I am giving it a good mix and then I am adding salt according to the taste. Giving it a good mix again. Now it's time to put on the lid and cook it for 1 whistle on high flame. And after 1 whistle, just cook it for 5 to 7 more minutes on low flame and let the pressure cool down completely on its own. And now the spinach pulao is ready to be served. The potatoes are crispy, the rice is cooked properly, and this dish is so tasty in itself because it is so easy to make and such simple ingredients are used. And now I'm giving it a little bit of ghee tadka. I've used red chilies, I've used some zeera and some rai, and I've made a tadka to put it on top of my pulao. Serve it with a lemon wedge and your spinach pulao is ready. I served it with raita, so I thought I'll just put in my raita recipe here as well. It's a very simple raita recipe. Just soak your bundi in some hot water. Take your curd and whisk it with a hand whisker very nicely. Now add salt, sugar and bhuna jeera powder according to your taste. You can also add lal mirch powder into this. Now mix it very nicely and adjust the consistency. If it is too thick, add a little bit of water. Now the bundi has soaked, it's become soft. So just remove the excess water and add the bundi directly into the raita mixture. Now mix it well. Now what I'm gonna do is give a little bit of a ghee tadka to the raita as well. This is the rai, zeera and ghee ka tadka. Oh, it makes raita so delicious. So the raita is ready as well. Keep it in the fridge till the time of serving comes. And here my spinach pulao is served with a little bit of cucumber salad and the raita that we made earlier. I hope you like the recipe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.